Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, about phone, and here you have to find line build number, which is the pre-last number, line, and just tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find these developer options here at the system section. And here they are, all of our very useful and very interesting developer options. Get to know them by yourself. You can also disable them here, and after that these developer options will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.